Okay, so we're here. We'll do a little order.
Welcome. Can I help you?
Yes, can I get some carpet detail? Can I get some rayon shampoo? What's up? Hey, a lot of guys are going out there buying all kinds of equipment and spending a whole lot of money on it, and actually doing in reverse what they should be doing. I just listened to Courtney talking about this exact topic, and I've been talking about this exact topic for a long time. That's why, as everybody knows, or you should know, that I offer a course on how to start a carpet cleaning business. So the main format of that course is building your business first. Building your business, because if you don't have a business and you got all kinds of equipment, what's that equipment going to do to you? If you don't have a business with a game plan and a formula to get that phone ringing, what's that equipment going to do for you? There's a lot of guys out there that take courses on carpet cleaning, buy all this equipment. Now they know how to clean carpets. Now they got all equipment, but the phone ain't ringing. They don't know how to get business. With a formula to attract well-paying customers that don't mind paying a little extra for a quality service. So you're going to see this is the second time I've serviced this property, and it's about a $1,600 job. It's probably going to take us about 5 hours. But they call me back. They like the service, they like the results, and see when we get there. Okay, so we're here. I'm gonna do a little order.
Welcome. Can I help you?
Yes, can I get some carpet detail? Can I get some rayon shampoo? Can I get some leather cleaner? A spray bottle for the upholstery?
Yes.
And a spotter kit. You're gonna need a spotter kit.
Here's all you need.
Thank you very much. All right, guys, back to business. So we're doing 2 area rugs. These are viscose and wool blends. So we're using viscose safe solutions. We're gonna do low moisture on these. Doing these chairs. This one looks the worst of it. 8 dining room chairs, white of course. These chairs, leather couches for now. I did let the customer know I'm not a big leather cleaner, but what we'll do is we'll spray leather cleaner down and wipe it down, and that's it. And you know, I charge them accordingly. I didn't charge them upholstery prices, but they said, yeah, go for it. So that's what we did last time. Upholstery. All this carpet. There's a closet back there. Carpet. Upholstery. Carpet. Now, as you can tell, the carpet, well, everything's in well-maintained condition, right? And I'm not going to complain. It's easy cleaning, not a lot of scrubbing. We're not even going to bring out the CRB machine. We're just going to hit spots and stuff with our drill brush. And one last room up here's big. Right here, I'm gonna go ahead, since I got the low moisture machine out, do VLM on the upstairs carpet. I think we did that last time. And doing these chairs and this upholstery right here. All right, so a lot of this time took setting up, getting everything ready to go. Everything's out. She's already pre-sprayed and scrubbed that the sectional. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the machine, get to clean. I'm not gonna show a whole bunch here, guys, because I don't want to be here all day, but you guys get the idea. Very nice place, repeat customers, quality service, great money. This is what you get. This is all about building your business for success. All right, so upstairs is finished. I did add a little bit of Sager side eucalyptus to the pre-spray, just a little bit, just for a little bit of nice fresh scent. Okay, since I have that out already, I'm just gonna go ahead and knock these two area rugs out real quick. Do a nice pre-spray using Visco's Safe Cleaning Solution, and go ahead and low moisture these two. All right, so we're knocking this upholstery out, white, kind of beige. So as you can tell, when this stuff gets wet, it looks awful, right? Kind of brownish. But this stuff dries up looking great. A lot of people will get scared. Last time I was here, I was a little nervous about it, but checked up on it, and as it dried, it all dried nice and evenly. I am using a all fiber rinse also to my upholstery tool, besides my pre-spray, which is carpet detail. So, yep, knocking these out. All right, so got all this done. So these white chairs that were badly stained last time, I mean, they looked a million times better when we were finished, but not perfect. They still have some permanent staining in there. But the customers were ecstatic, just as good as we can get it. So you got purple in here. We used everything in the spotter box and nothing this time also. I know we did last time too, but yeah, they look a lot better. Rugs are done. So now we're just going to get these chairs, leather done. So now we're just gonna do the sectional here. Beautiful white. I mean, this last couple of weeks been white upholstery week. If anybody knows about white upholstery, you gotta be really thorough, even pre-spray, even extraction, or else you'll get spots that look like they're dirty. So I always charge extra for white. I didn't on this one because I quoted this a while back, but I'm still charging $250 for each of these sectionals. Usually I charge $300, but since they're getting so much work done, I give them a little break. So, all right, so we're gonna finish that up, and then we're gonna do all the carpets, all the floors. That'll be the easy part. And see that foam in there? That's blood. So this peroxide does that. So I kind of go through to what I think is organic and treat it with it. We already pre-sprayed and she scrubbed everything, so I'm gonna go through here now and extract. All right, so now we're gonna do the carpets on the lower floor. So as you tell, the upholstery still got a little bit of drying to do, but you can see how everything evened out. All right, all finished up. Woo, it's a tough one. Took us 5 hours. A lot of different stuff in here, you know, upholstery, rugs, carpet. My back hurts. Anyway, great day. $1,600 job. She'll have me back next time. So, job well done. Out of here. Gonna go home and eat. See ya.